Hello and welcome to Team G's Quick Start Guide to Real Estate. In this series, we're going over how to create your own online real estate business. Okay, let's get started. In this episode, we're going to show you where to find your listing, how to download it, and how to upload it. Okay, so open your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. As you see here, I already have my Facebook page loaded, Cebu Houses for Sale. What you're going to want to do is from your wall, click Photos, once you get on Photos, you click that, and then you just leave it here, and then up at the top you'll see Open New Tab. I opened a new tab, and as you see here, I'm on facebook.com/myfilipinohomes. You're going to want to type that in, hit enter. That'll take you to My Filipino Homes, which is ran by Laterio Realty. It has all your up-to-date current listings. What you're going to want to do next is click like and follow. So that way, anytime there's a new listing, they upload it, you'll see it, and you'll be able to get it and upload it yourself so you can make some sales too. Okay, moving on. Now what you're going to want to do is click on their photos up at the top here, then click Albums, and then choose an album. For the sake of this video, we're going to click Nirvana, and that'll take you to the album. You're going to want to copy all the way down here all of the information about the listing. Just copy it like that. Right click, copy. Now, as long as you don't copy anything else, it'll be saved. But for future reference, I recommend that you go to your real estate file, which we made earlier in a previous video on the desktop. Go to Developments, go into the folder as you see here, Nirvana, and then add the location, so that way it's easier for you to remember. Click New, Rich Text Document or Document, Word, whatever, any of your word processor. I'm going to put in Site Info, double left click, and then paste it. Right click, paste. Now you'll have all the information that you can call upon anytime, anywhere that you have your laptop. Even without Wi-Fi, you might need to know the information for a client. You'll have it on hand right now whenever you need it. Okay, so click Save. Now you'll have that for a later time. Let's go back to our Google Chrome. Alright, now you're going to want to go to each individual photo. Click on it. Open. Save As. You're going to want to go to the desktop where we have our real estate folder. Go to Developments. Go to the Nirvana Kalawasan folder that we made. And then for simplicity, just put number, categorize it by number from the start of the download to the end. So for example, there's 7 pictures, so we'll name this number 1, save, hit forward, right click again, save image as, type 2, save, and so on and so on until you have all 7 numbered 1 to 7 start to finish for each of the development photos for the specific development that you're viewing. And as you see here, we just keep going along. Right click, save image as again, 6, and finally save image as 7. Okay, now that you have saved all of the pictures and all of the information, you're going to want to go on over back to Cebu Houses for Sale or your page. Click Create New Album. Go to your desktop, then your real estate folder, then Developments, then the Nirvana folder or the development that you're currently working on. Then click inside the folder where you see all the photos. Hold Control and hit A. That selects all of them. And then click the Open button. And you gotta wait for Facebook to upload all of the photos. You're gonna want to name the album Nirvana And be sure to add your telephone number as well as the country code, +63, so that way the OFWs who are inquiring will be able to contact you from overseas. For the say something about the album, that's where you'll right click and paste all of the information that you've copied from the album from Filipino Homes. And then be sure to hit enter, return 2 times, then go back to your desktop folder of real estate, and then remember this, the contact info we made in the previous video. If you didn't see that video, be sure to go and check to see how to make the contact info. But we're going to double left click, Control A in here, so that way you can copy all of this, or you can just highlight it by left click and drag your mouse over everything. And then once you have it highlighted like this, right click, copy, minimize that, go back to your listing, click in the create album info box, and then right click, paste. Now your contact info, all of the information about the development and the title is all there, so you should be ready to post. Make sure it's set for public so everyone can see it, and hit post. And there you have it. It's ready to go. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the best looking picture to put as the cover photo, and this is going to be the one that would best describe or best sell the development. Now if it's a development that's already made or has a pre-constructed display, it's always best to show a real life photo versus a CAD photo. But for this in particular development, we don't seem to have one, so the next best thing would be anything that could simulate or show you a best depiction of what they are looking at or what they can be looking for. So for this purpose of this video, I'm gonna choose this photo, click it, click options, and then make cover photo. Okay, now sorry, not cover photo. It should be make album cover. So let's go back. Sorry about that. Click it, options, and okay, this one is already the cover photo because it's the first photo. But for the sake of the video, I'll show you how to do it. You go to a photo that isn't already there, click options, make album cover. So we'll just use this one for the sake of the video. Now the album cover will be this individual photo. Again, you're going to want to pick a photo that best depicts what the person would be getting as far as the development or house or lot, etc. Okay, happy selling.